I'm from Grace Street, where we G-slide. G-slide and hit your Ricky, yeah.
So I feel like I look like a completely different person since the last time I did any video. Bitch, I've just been busy. Like, I'm not even busy, but I just been lazy because I've been working so much, and like damn near I wasn't like feeling motivated at all, like at fucking all. But bitch, I'm back, and a bitch is back and better than ever. It's 2020, bitch. I'm feeling a little bit happy about it. Okay, so I'm gonna just do my updated makeup routine because bitch, it's been a minute. Let's get reacquainted. That's like, I feel like the first video everyone does to start off their channels with, and since this is like a new awakening to my channel, you know, like I'm gonna start off with that. Okay, so I just got my hair done today. I'm fully blonde. I've been fully blonde for like a minute, but like I just got my roots done today. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. Follow me on Instagram. I just washed my face, and then I'm going to use the Kylie Skin Moisturizer because y'all know I live in Kylie's ass. So anything she has, I have to have. Or anything like she makes, I buy it. I honestly do not know how good it is for my skin. Like, my skin could low-key be going through it right now because of her. Because I'm not like... my skin isn't the best that it's usually at. So, I don't know. But that's the only moisturizer I have. And bitch, I got dry skin, so that's what we're gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna start, like, let me start with my makeup so that I can actually talk to you guys about where I've been and just like a little bit of a life update right now. So, because it's been like since summer since I made a video, so I wanted to come back sooner, but I just really wasn't feeling it. And you know what, tonight I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I have a feeling I'm not gonna end up going out, which is gonna be irritating because I hate taking off makeup, but no one's texting me back, so probably because nobody likes me. So, oh bitch, my mom just texted me back though. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my makeup, so let me just get into this. So I use the Eyebrow by Kylie Jenner. This, okay, not even to be up her ass like I usually am, but bitch, this shit is so good. Like, it's the best pomade I've used. It has a different consistency than the Anastasia pomade, and I left this shit open for like 2 days and it still has the same consistency. It didn't dry out, so I fuck with it heavy. I'm gonna start doing my brows. Actually, low-key, I cannot do my brows and talk because I actually really concentrate when I do my brows, because that's like what I feel like frames your whole face. So I'm gonna be back, I'm gonna do my brows, and then I'm gonna be right back. So I did my brows, and I still use this is still my favorite primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime, because it do be filling in your pores. And I sometimes, like, through certain foundations have pores right here. Like, obviously everyone has pores, but like sometimes certain foundations, like, because my pores aren't big, but it will show in certain foundations. I do like this one as well, the Touch No Pore Problem by Touch Soleil, or Touch in Soleil. I'm gonna use this one tonight because the other one is like to keep your makeup on longer, and I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this shit on, so, because who knows. But I just put this on mostly like right here, and then like where I'm worried about my makeup, and then on my fucking nose too. Okay, oh my god, you guys, look, I have baby nails right now. Like, bitch, I had long nails for like every damn near set I had, but my fingernails were hurting. I don't know, like I needed a break. Okay, so then the next thing I use is, this one's empty, is the NARS Radiant concealer. I mean, bitch, the NARS Radiant, I'm having a stroke. The NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Strombolli. There's like nothing left in here. I had bought, there's some on the bottom actually. I had bought the mini version of this because they didn't have my shade in the big version, and I thought I was gonna use it, but I'm gonna just return that shit because it was $24 and it's literally like this much. So while I put this on, let's have a little life update, y'all. Hi, bitch, if y'all don't know me, if you're new to this channel, I damn near went into hibernation for like a long time. I was just not in a creative or fucking like I was not in the mood to like be on my grind for any fucking thing, and that even counts for like all aspects of my life, not just YouTube. Like, bitch, I was not in it. But you know what, I'm about to be 21 this year, and bitch, I want to start making moves for myself. I want to be some, like, I have goals. Obviously I don't like talking about my goals to just like anybody, because I believe in evil eye and all that shit. So I just want to keep my goals to myself until they get closer to coming true, and then I could talk about them, because I be talking sometimes about stuff and it don't happen. So it's like, nah, we're not doing that, you know? So, but I'm about to be 21 in 2 months, bitch. Can y'all believe that shit? I still feel like I'm 18. Like, I'm like growing up. And like, bitch, in 10 years I'll be 30. Like, that's fucking, I'll be 31, because I'll be like turning 31 in 10 years. That is crazy, bitch. I don't even want to think about that. Like, I don't even want to think. I'm just like, I still don't know or have my life together. Like I said, I'm about to just turn 21, and I don't even know what I want to do in life. I don't even know where I'm gonna be in life. Like, I don't even know, bitch. Like, that shit is just wild. I applied my foundation. I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I do put Tarte Shape Tape on my eyes. I use the color Light Sand, and then this lighting might make my makeup look a little bit dramatic right now. Like, it might not look like my shade or nothing, but I promise you it is. Like, I'm not one of those. Let me just blend it out, and then I'll get back to what I was talking to. Now I'm going back to school. I'm majoring in...
Hey guys, okay, wait, so this video is dead ass, like, I probably put like how old it was like in the beginning. It's like honestly like 2 months old. I'm editing it now, and I realized I like kind of cut over the parts where I talked about school. I'm saying I'm going back to school now because I did take like a semester off. I'm still enrolled in my 4-year university, but you're allowed to miss a semester. I personally missed a semester just because I wasn't in the best headspace. Like, honestly, like, I just was not taking school seriously, and I was not like dedicated or motivated or any type of way. And luckily my parents like were really understanding about it, and I took a semester off, and so now I'm currently in school and I'm doing so much better. Like, my grades were slipping before, but like now my grades are like, bitch, I'm like popping off low-key in class right now. So like, yeah, that was basically what I was trying to say, is I'm going back to school because I wasn't in school for a semester, which not a lot of people knew about because I don't be sharing everything online. But like, since now that time of my life has passed, like, I'm not that person anymore. I just like, I'm reflecting on it now, and yeah, I'm back in school, and I'm actually doing so much better because I was literally like on academic probation, bitch. Like, but yeah, I'm doing good now, and I didn't get kicked out of school or anything. And so yeah, I didn't really talk about it because I cut it out, but yeah, that was that.
In sociology. I start school in like 2 weeks. I feel like, okay, so I'm kind of making this video too because I feel like I don't really talk about a lot of my personal life, meaning like no one really knows. Well, bitch, it don't even matter because no one really need to know me like that. But like, y'all don't really know shit about me. So like, to people that don't really know me in real life, like, if y'all really want to know about me, I'll let you know. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna set, usually I use the Kylie beige powder, but I'm out. Let me see. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me to set my eyelids because I'm gonna do eyeliner. I know, weird. I do eyeliner now. Like, I don't just wear, like, makeup without it. Like, but, okay, so anyways. Bitch, I'm all over the place. Get your shit together. Okay, so wait, let me talk a little bit. So basically, yeah, I'm going back to school in 2 weeks. I'm excited. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do in school still, but you know what, bitch, at least I'm going. Like, I'm still not done with my GE, so I need to finish that shit because fuck that. But anyways, okay, so I usually either use this eyeliner, the Italia liquid matte eyeliner. Is super matte and like bomb, or I use a super precise eyeliner by Essence. This one they sell at Ulta. This one they sell at like random ass little hole in the wall stores. Like, so I get this at the Swamp Meet, this one, and then I get this one at Ulta. So I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna use this one today because I feel like I kind of want to, because I just found it in my purse and I've been looking for it. Hold on, let me make sure my eyelids are like set. But yeah, so that's basically it. Bitch, that's it. Like I said, I basically was on like a whole like self revelation. And I feel like anytime anyone goes on a break from YouTube, that's what they say, like, oh, like, I was on a mental health check. Bitch, but I really fucking was. Bitch, they're damn near symmetrical. What the fuck? Where's the concealer that I just took the stopper out of? I literally have like 4... Y'all saw me take the stopper out of one, right? So that means I have 5 of these. Bitch, where the fuck? I have 5 Tarte Shape Tapes. There we go. Then I need to take the stopper out of it because I know they still got product. New Faji's on the Jeep. Oh my god. So I started blending out my concealer with a brush, and bitch, just looks so good. Like, so good. So fucking good. I love it. It just be giving you that airbrush look. I did my friend's makeup and that shit looked really good. Airbrush like this. That. High fashion. Let go, yard. Hold on. Let me. I put a little bit too much concealer on. So let me wipe it with the sponge. Bitch, I swear to God, this foundation looks like... Well, that didn't do anything. I promise y'all, I'm blended out. Bitch, nobody is texting me back. That shit be having me in my feelings. Brush around my face with... This is how I set my whole face. Because if not, I'll get oily. And if not, my bronzer won't blend. So this is how... I don't know. There's a lot of people that don't set their face. And I'm just like, what? Obviously, I don't look white. This, if you see my pictures and you see my posts, I'm not fucking, like, ghosty looking. It's just this lighting. I'll go into a different lighting. I use the same bronzer as always. This is the NARS. Bitch, this is NYX. This is $8. This is NYX, the matte bronzer in fucking, what is it? Medium. There's like a whole bunch of powder like on it. Bitch, I be wasteful with my makeup products, low-key. Okay, so then I go and bronze. I contour my nose because I like my natural shape of my nose, but I just like to define my sides right here because my nose has like that kind of tip. You could see it already, but I like to define it. I think it looks cuter. This shit is so hard to open. Like, damn near every single time I have a like, I can't open it. Kind of. But I use the Kylie bronzer in Tequila Tan. This is one of the blushes that I use on a regular. It's the KKW in Luxe. It's like her classic blush. Okay, so I already did my lipstick and my eyelashes. These ones are, I believe, Nova by Pearl Lashes. And then my lipstick is just a dark brown lip liner. And then I have the KKW He's a Mixer. It's the collab with Mario. This is my favorite lipstick of like all time now. And this lip gloss, it's the Super Nude lip gloss. This is the setting spray I use. And that is it. That is my new makeup routine. It's bomb. It's flawless. Like, she snatched. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I promise there's gonna be new videos coming soon. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be on my bullshit, you guys, like I swear. I promise. So please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video.